You've probably heard this one before. Think positive, and the universe will give you what you want. That's the law of attraction, the idea that your thoughts can literally shape your reality. But is it just wishful thinking, or does science actually back it up? The law of attraction says that whatever you focus on, good or bad, you attract more of it. Think abundance, you get abundance. Think fear, you get fear. It sounds mystical, but let's strip away the magic and see what's really happening inside your brain. When you focus on something repeatedly, your brain activates a system called the Reticular Activating System, or RAS. It acts like your brain's filter, deciding what information gets your attention. Ever noticed when you want to buy a certain car, you suddenly see it everywhere? That's your RAS working, not the universe, but your brain tuning into what matters to you. When you visualize your goals clearly and emotionally, you're training your brain to recognize opportunities that align with them. In neuroscience, this is called neuroplasticity. Your brain literally rewires itself around what you repeatedly think and feel. Now let's talk about energy. Emotions like joy, gratitude, and confidence create a different biochemical state than fear, anger, or doubt. When you stay in positive emotional states, you produce hormones like dopamine and serotonin, which boost creativity, problem solving, and motivation. So it's not that the universe changes, you change, and that changes how you interact with the world. Some fans of the law of attraction link it to quantum physics, the idea that everything is made of vibrating energy. While it's true that thoughts are electrical impulses and the universe is energy, there's no proof your thoughts directly bend physical reality. But there is proof that thoughts shape behavior, and behavior shapes reality. So here's the science-backed version of the law of attraction. Step 1. Focus your mind. Visualize clearly what you want. It trains your brain's filters. Step 2. Feel it emotionally. Your emotions fuel motivation and energy. Step 3. Act in alignment. Your behavior attracts real-world opportunities. Not magic, but momentum. The law of attraction isn't about sitting and wishing. It's about focusing so clearly on your goal that your actions, energy, and attention naturally pull you toward it. The universe doesn't hand you success. It mirrors the energy and effort you put into it. So yes, your thoughts can shape your world. Not by magic, but by rewiring your brain, guiding your emotions, and driving your actions. If this opened your mind, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's manifesting their dream life, one thought at a time.